Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Up move nation. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah man, Jaden Chase. Another one that we're gonna bring on another reasoning on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but to find the reasoning insightful, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then put a like on the video. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, popular dancehall artist IOctane has been named in what can be considered as the biggest gang trial in the Jamaican judicial history. Today, the DPP's second witness told the court that alleged members of the Klansman organization would often accompany popular dancehall artist IOctane to recording studios. The witness, while presenting evidence against the alleged 33 members of the organization, including Andre Bryan himself, stated that reputed members of the organization, including Bryan, would leave from their base of operations in Spanish Town and visit recording studios on Dunrobin Avenue and others in St. Andrew with IOctane. Now the relevance of this piece of evidence being given in court is still unsure. The DPP's first witness had earlier told the court that the organization knows influential people and had used that as an initial excuse for why he did not initially give evidence, having only turned state witness months after being charged with a crime himself. Now, IOctane's team has not yet responded to the statements made by the witness. Some have said though, this might be the system's response for IOctane's recent criticism of the political elite, even going as far as to call Andrew Holness by name. I couldn't hear the reasoning, I couldn't hear what IOctane have to say, and they will continue our reasoning. Look and listen, nation.
Man, kill me. But I saw it go. The truth offense. And the Almighty me I deal with. Watch your style, you know. Andrew Holness. Back at you again. Saying, me see you walk through the ghetto, me see a woman who approach you and say, yo, repent. Can't lock down the place, so. And you listen keenly. And then when we summarize, people don't understand that when you conclude everything you said to the lady, say, and these are your words. The Almighty create somebody. The Almighty create human being. The Almighty know all end product, and yet that is right. And He create human being. And human being have the knowledge, put the knowledge in human being to create the vaccine. So the Almighty create the vaccine for us, and the lady should take it. You never hear when the lady say, yo, sufferation. Saying, Andrew, let me tell you this. Just like how God work, I saw the devil work too. Saying, no found a Baphomet boy I work under the devil regime. But that me I tell you, any leaders or any leader of any nation, saying, suffer. Remember say God said the meek shall inherit the earth. So any leader make the nation suffer. That are not God work. Any leader that look for any individual, any civilian and tell them say, God make a vaccine for them. That is abomination of the Most High works, or the words of the Most High. Say you say I walk through, I get to, I say walk through, you get to, you saw the people them live, bag of zinc fence, bag of tear down, and you have camera and bag of things, so you walk through, they get to, you say you come off of your eye ask, what the truck there with the basic necessities. Or you know, walk through, you get them. I mean, I see about 20 truck I walk through, you get them people and half things, give the people them. You lock down the country again, you lock down the people them in a sufferation. With the food there, you walk through and you carry your camera and you report that you want to show people, say you walk through where the food there. Where the things them will lock down in the ghetto, where the people them forget the things them there. Or you know, hand out, vaccine can't take for hungry belly. It can't take for hungry belly. Judgment, lightning, can't take for hungry belly. Remember that. See? So no found where politics oriented, I go feel like me not deal with politics, we burn politics. Me tell you say red and green have no significance unless gold in it. Only for you dead for red, green and gold, but red and green boy. Red, green and gold uplift the youth them. See? Listen to me. Where they chop them there, you walk through a ghetto. You should have feed the people them. Where they chop them there, you say you praise Christ, and then Christ feed the multitude. Saying, with one fish and two loaves of bread, feed the people them. Judgment. I will you them with their jail. Where you come from? The PMP and Labour right place. You can't. every main labor right place and every main PMP place. See? No youth boy, you know, if you're loyal to politics, if you're loyal to the betterment of you, and the betterment of the country, and the betterment of the people. We are talking about Angie, all you are bossy slave. You are bossy slave. If you said that and I talk about get where you come from. You are bossy slave. See? You have no morals, you lose your heritage. Yo, you tell me about red. Eh? This bigger than that. I never say nothing about Andrew breeder people. But him in the seat. Him in the seat. Andrew, when you sign a thing, your signature go against all bills. Your signature go against all decisions you make for your country. When you sign off and you see the word poverty, see? Cross out that and put upliftment. When you see poor, cross it out and put no more. When you can put your signature to it. Eh? Eh? You talk about, so you tell me, say if a poor youth customer man get injured now, I have to stay up on the roadside. Unless it's emergency. So the emergency also bringing elites. Remember the elites that have to deal with the emergency part. So if you're not the influence, you go. Wanna vote for Boya? That me I say. Wanna tell me about politics? I have to vote for every Harrison. When you go in a jail, I want to tell you. No phone never got you, never got you. Be a ghetto youth in there from every angle. Be a ghetto youth from every angle. Yeah, some of them are criminal and some of them innocent, yes. And some of them will get punishment for the doings where them do. I not say them not get punishment for the doings where them do. But the road to the system, bad man. The road to the system. The first time some youth will kill a road and kill because they come from the side, they come from the side. See? And I go up there, so I go do some of them and violate me from the side because they must say me nothing forward done yourself. Political warfare. The people them hungry. And that me I deal with. See? So all on a day me I say, Octane, you're so dead. We cut off your tongue. If you cut off my tongue, I'm not afraid of that. You know, say me alone I do this boy. I'm not afraid of that. So anytime I'm ready, I'm forward. And if I cut off my tongue, we still learn sign language. Poor people need to hear. Poor people voice need to hear. Somebody need to take it. See? Somebody need to take it. I want to tell you. You feel like it take. I say one thing I break we as black people. We not unify. When a Chinese man boss him, boss an next Chinese man. When a white man boss him, boss an next white man. See? When the Asian man boss them, boss an next man. Every denomination boss them own culture. When we boss what we do? Drag down with people then. We not unify. And that a beat with. You understand? Unity. None from the Maroons them don't take whole heap of people. Them not take whole heap of people to conquer. To conquer the oppressor them. And give it freedom, boy. See? And then we go up and read and say Maroons now no line. Judgment or you mean Maroons now no land, boy. And them things I tell you about you know. See? Yeah. So all who no like this, just know say, you can just do what you see when you feel like you do when you see me on the road. Just do anything you want to do. But make sure say, all of you know talk about this and that. Make sure you try it. And if you don't succeed on that, make sure the system take care of you. But until me meet that demise there, you want to plan for me. See? Just know say you not going to hear my voice. Holy. Poor people are suffer, boy. I mean, it just mean food for God from both sides. See? Any main labor right place. If Tivoli Garden is the biggest labor right place, and the MP, or the Prime Minister, or whosoever run that place there, now do it, switch it to PMP. And if PMP place I run it, and them now get one of to get beneficial to the system, from the system to elevate, to motivate, to instill back culture, morals, less crime, you know, more opportunities for the youth them. See, give the youth them more activities so them can do other things. Change it to labor right. We're not loyal to politics and politicians. Loyal to the betterment of the place. One tell you. You know, say politicians are jail. When politicians say they make a mistake or oh, I never forget that, then write it as of collateral damage. You think you can shoot a man and go to jail and write that of collateral damage? You go to jail. You get 15 and 20 and 30 and 60 years, boy. Eh? For them. You saw me telling us that a regional hospital for build over here. This morning they must say on news say, yo, if you're sick, don't come to hospital, no space not there. Maybe again I mash up the people them brain. See? Mash up the people them brain and put them in a panic. Build a regional hospital, don't build government house, so now have enough already. Hold up an AC out, they clean the AC out have and blow that pound. Build them thing, if you have a regional hospital, you would have them problem here. don't have the budget, you don't have the money. Poor people are dead for hungry. Me go now, me say, put me to the test, give me some food and some something. I better say me violated no word verbally. Me that day a jail already. Eh? A be a ghetto youth to come from PNP and Labour right place. Yo, stop kill people and go to jail fee system. Stop murder people. Some of them have data out here. One of them left on the data and gone to jail for political warfare. Same stepfather come and fuck on a baby mother in front of the data. And fingle them and fungle them and go on with big things. Found them, you see me I say?
Yes, nation. Now, IOctane's statement was definitely fiery. Some would agree, some would disagree with the statements being made. Comment section, talk to me. Well, first and foremost, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through, but to find the reason insightful, or not like the reason, or not like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. So drop a like and bust a share. Now tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. The comment section open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the sentiments, and for those who don't, yeah man, move settings fam, and no, we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is of course we wanna live, love, and prosper. Now stay tuned until we reason again.